guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's make this amazing and cute snowman in PowerPoint along with the snowflakes. First of all, change the background's color. I'll use this as the color. Close the format background panel. Next, insert a circle that covers the bottom part of the slide. While holding control, you can increase its size, remove its outline, and give it the fill of white color. The next thing we're going to do is subtract the out part that is out of the slide of the circle by selecting the circle, then the rectangle, and then subtract it from the merge options. Similarly, for the side parts that are also out of the slide, we'll repeat the same process. Yeah, so everything is complete. Next, we're gonna insert a circle for the snowman's lower body. And what we're gonna do is remove its outline, change its color to white, and next we're gonna change its height and width as well. Duplicate it and then decrease that duplicated upper part body of this snowman. We're gonna put it right onto the first circle. Now for the scarf of this snowman, we're gonna insert rounded kind of rectangle, white inch that connects the upper and the lower part of this body. And we're gonna use added points to make it something like this. And here you go. Next, what we're gonna do is insert a rectangle, like a rectangle-like shape, and then what it like this. We're gonna change its color to the same as the scarf color, so it's gonna be our scarf. Next, just below the scarf at the end part, we're gonna insert four rectangles, and we're gonna change their colors to separate and different colors, which have to be bright colors. For the one I'll use red, for the other I'll use yellow, and next for the next one I'll use blue, and for the last one I'll use green. Yeah. Next we're gonna select these shapes. That is these or four rectangles along with the other shape, and then group them and then duplicate them because I want to make the other part of the scarf as well. So here you go. Now, let me just group it and just rotate it like this and make it smaller than the first part of the scarf. Adjust its size. Next, what we're gonna do is insert small circles right here that are gonna be used as its buttons. So I'll change the color to brown. Duplicate it and place it right downwards as well. For the shadow, now let's duplicate the shapes and then we're gonna subtract the some part of the shape from the other from the merge option and then put it right back on the shape and then give it a dark color. Go to a format shape and then increase transparency to make it look like a shadow. So next we're gonna insert a bottom shadow onto the snow hill and we're gonna change its color, go to format background shape, and next we're gonna increase its transparency to make it look more like a shadow. Close the format to background panel. Next what we're gonna do is insert small eyes for this snowman. We're gonna decrease its size. Remove its outline, change its color to black. And the next thing we'll do is insert the cheeks for this snowman. So we'll just insert small circles, change the color to pink for more colors. And next we're gonna go to format background and format shape and give it increased transparency, duplicate it, and here you go. Next, what you have to do is go to insert tab, and from here we're gonna insert the triangle and a small circle and put it right on top of the triangle. And the next thing we're gonna do is select both of them and then group them. Remove the outline, give them the fill of orange color. and then put its nose right here into the middle. Next, we're gonna go to insert chat, and from here, what we're gonna do is insert like a smile for it. We're gonna use this curve line for its smile. So let me just put it onto the snowman's face. We're gonna increase its width if we want. From the line option in format shape, everything's complete except for the shadow. What we're gonna do is subtract the part of the shape which we want to be used as the shadow. You will place it on it, change its color, increase its transparency to make it look more like a shape, like a shadow. Let me just send it to the back and send the face to the back as well. So here you go. Next, what you have to do is just like group all of these shape if we want. Insert our rounded cornered rectangle. Wait a minute. So what you have to do, the next part is the what you have to do in to make this snowman is that you have to go to insert tab and insert around a corner rectangle and then make it fully rounder, and then you have to change its color to white and insert a triangle on top of it, change its color to red, and next we're gonna insert a small circle just on top of this triangle, and this is gonna be used as the snowman's hat. Let me just rotate it a bit. Next, we're gonna make some gloves for the snowman using rounded corner rectangles only. Now let's change their color. So the glove is also complete. Now let's attach a line to the snowman body to make it look like its hands. And now we're gonna attach the glove with it as well. We're gonna rotate the glove of the right side. So it's done as well. Next, what we're gonna do is just insert a circle, which is so we're gonna make a snowflake. You have to just follow all these steps to make the snowflake by inserting straight lines and some circles to make the snowflake. So now I'll put up some snow. So this is the final result. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.